Back in the garage working on the Kia. This time we've really done it. Looks kind of normal. No? Oh, what are those? Bungee cords? What are those holding? Oh yeah. Look at the strut and springs are missing. Why would that be? Because it's broken. Looks like we busted a coil off the bottom of the passenger front strut assembly, and once I found out it was rubbing on the tire, where can I show you that? It might be hard to see. See how dark that is? It was burning the rubber off the tire. I put the spare on and drove it for a week still, and the spring was still clear of the tire, but we were supposed to get our new assemblies on Friday. Today is Sunday, so I would have kept driving it, but I wanted to have it apart and ready for our FedEx delivery. And you see up there? Oh, there's no box. No delivery from FedEx. I'll show you their tracking information. We should see if FedEx showed up.
Okay. I bet it did. Nope.
Oh, our door's frozen. Oh, there's nothing here. Better luck next time. Who showed up today, Max?
Huh?
Who showed up today?
FedEx.
FedEx came? What day is it? Tuesday?
No, Wednesday, I think.
Today's Tuesday.
Oh, I thought it was Wednesday.
Oh, there they are. I hope they sent the right ones. Now we can fix the Kia. All right, here we go. This is the passenger front strut assembly with the spring all ready to go. I'm not going to bore you guys with the install. It's basically going to be these two bolts here into the knuckle there, and these three bolts to get the tower, get it bolted up into the tower, and then there's a couple brackets that screw to the side of that, a couple little bolts. So I'm pretty excited to get this out of the garage. It's been in here too long. I have a new battery for the car as well. And our starting issue, I think I'm gonna go ahead and replace the, come on. Oh, that's supposed to pull right off, there we go. The high pressure fuel pump, we replaced it with a Amazon special. And I've heard that these can give you problems starting the car. Our original one was leaking fuel, but we haven't even got a year on this one, and it might be making a hard start condition. So we're gonna swap that out when that shows up in a few days. Hopefully fixes that problem as well. But we'll get this battery out of here and do that while we're sitting in the garage. There we go. Got the new assembly in. Everything's tight. That wasn't so bad, was it? No? It was actually pretty easy once I did all the hard work and got the old one out.
Yeah.
So I think we might as well throw this tire on right away. And
So I got one tire up.
yep, then we'll go to the other side. Okay?
Okay.
Kia's finished up. We got the new suspension on. Got our wheels back on. And this should be all set. New batteries in it too. So we'll wait for that new high pressure fuel pump to show up. But there's always something to work on, right, Max? Just because we fixed the Kia doesn't mean we're done.
Still got to fix it.
What's wrong? Our Acadia has been...
It's been stopping.
going into limp mode. So we're getting traction control, StabiliTrack, reduce engine power, and it's been making the car drive like 6 or 8 miles an hour, and then you hope that you can shut it off and restart it and have it actually drive normal again. So looking around online, there's a couple easy fixes possibly. This is for behind the, I believe the brake pedal. So I bought one of those sensors. This is a purge valve that goes somewhere, I haven't looked yet. It goes somewhere over here.
And we found a rat's nest.
Yep, we found a mouse nest. Must have been from when the previous owners had it. We'll get that cleaned out, just digging the junk out of there. But the goal is to get the throttle body off, get the some of that oil buildup cleaned off of it. And I'm hoping that changing this solenoid and cleaning that will help get rid of the reduce engine power issue that we're having. I do know that there's a TSB for just replacing the throttle body because it might be the throttle position sensor in here ends up going bad. But we'll try this first, see what happens. It won't hurt anything. There's a garbage can over by the door. Maybe we'll check in again when it's all apart. We're just about finished up under the hood. I got the new purge valve in back here, or purge solenoid. I did jam some towels down inside the intake here. It's like a low spot just to suck up any extra goo that was in there. We took the intake box off, and I'll show you the accordion tube. The intake accordion tube was full of milky goo and oil, so it has been building up inside that chamber, and I'm guessing that that's getting sucked back in to the intake, but it's too much for it to handle. That might be why we're having a problem. This is what came out of that accordion tube. There's a little bit of brake cleaner in there, but most of that is what was in there. That's oil, and it's got to be like water coolant maybe. So I don't know if there's a bunch of blow-by in this motor. Here's the intake box. We did cleaned off the sensors inside there, and this little hose as well had a little bit of goo in it. So we're just about ready to put that back together, and it should be all set. But I don't think this has ever been done, and we have about 212,000 miles on the Acadia. So it was time. We'll keep an eye on it from now on.